Former Punjab Chief Minister Prakash Singh Badal became the first to return his award in protest against the treatment of protesting farmers by the central government. The 92-year-old returned his Padma Vibhushan, the second highest civilian honour of the country that he received from the government in 2015. Mr. Badal, whose Shiromani Akali Dal has pulled out of the NDA alliance over the farmers' protest, said that he was registering his protest against the government's quote-unquote betrayal of farmers. A group of top sportspersons and coaches from Punjab have said that they will return their awards too and march to Delhi on the 5th of December in solidarity with the farmers. So this award Wapsi coming back again because of the centre's treatment of farmers. Prakash Singh Badal is calling it a betrayal of farmers. Let's go across to our guests this evening. Joining us is Major Retired Dr. Anand Samaria, the leader of the BJP. Also, Manjinder Singh Sirsa, spokesperson of the Shiromani Akali Dal. Mr. Sirsa, let me come to you first. Mr. Prakash Singh Badal has said that today, when the farmer has lost more than his honour, I see no point in holding to the Padma Vibhushan honour. But others say that your then Minister Harsimrat Badal backed the farmer ordinances, his farm ordinances. So what are you aiming to achieve by this award Wapsi?
See, first of all, it is not about the aim of award Wapsi. Sardar Prakash Singh Badal has fought for the Punjab rights, and he is the only politician of the statesman of this country who stayed in jail more than 18 years of his life. 18 साल जेल में रहना ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है, सिर्फ कह देना बड़ा आसान है। एक जिंदगी का बहुत बड़ा अरसा है जो उन्होंने जेलों में निकाला है पंजाब के हितों के लिए। अब बात आपने कहा कि हरसिमरत कौर बादल ने पहले दिन से ही ये इशू था और बार बार उन्होंने इस इशू को रेस किया और ये कहा कि जो किसान चाहते हैं उनकी बात सुनी जाए और सुनकर उसको इस एक्ट के अंदर डाला जाए। यही कारण था कि हरसिमरत कौर बादल के कहने पे एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर चंडीगढ़ जाते हैं, विश्वासन दे के आते हैं, लेकिन जब बिल लाया जाता तो उसके अंदर विश्वासन की बातें नहीं रहती। दैट वाज द रीजन शी इमीडिएटली रिजाइन फ्रॉम द कैबिनेट। ये कोई छोटी बात नहीं है। देश की एक अलायंस पार्टनर के साथ आपने पार्टनरशिप भी छोड़ी, अलायंस भी तोड़ा, अपना वजारत भी छोड़ी, और अब क्योंकि उनका मसला हल नहीं होता दिख रहा तो सरदार प्रकाश सिंह बादल इज फोर्स्ड टू सरेंडर। उनका अवार्ड देने के लिए मजबूर हुए हैं क्योंकि प्रकाश सिंह बादल हमेशा देश के लिए और पंजाब के लिए लड़ते रहे हैं और ऐसे आदमी से ये बर्दाश्त नहीं हुआ जो उन्होंने कहा, इफ यू हैव रेड थ्रू द लेटर, ही सेड वेरी सिंपल वर्ड्स कि इनको आज खालिस्तानी कहा जा रहा है, एंटी नेशनल कहा जा रहा है, विच पेंट मी मोर देन दैट कि आप किसान को आज एंटी नेशनल पेंट कर रहे हैं।
Right, let's get in Anand Samaria there. Mr. Samaria, how would you react to Prakash Singh Badal returning his award that was given by the NDA government? He was your ally not too long ago.
Rohit ji, this is a very unfortunate, a seasoned politician of Prakash Singh Badal's stature has returned the award. I must remind you that this type of returning the awards has happened a couple of years back by the intelligentsia for their own political wills, for their own benefits. Now, my government, under the leadership of Narendra Bhai Modi, since 2014, the farmers are very, very near and dear to us. All the steps taken by my government are only for the beneficial of the farmers. These ordinance, people say nobody wanted ordinance. No, our Krishi Ayog suggested we are committed to that farmers' income should be double in 2020. Yes. See, now, all this agitation time, the farmers have been asking that we must be given MSP. Yes. Well, today in the morning, first thing my agriculture minister said, yes, we will give you in writing MSP, but still these people are not happy. The gesture, when we are talking a talk, you know, on the round table, the gesture should be from both the sides. Yes. Our government as a gesture, you know, offering tea and snacks and all these are a good gesture.
But so do you think this is a political move by Prakash Singh Badal?
I think something is to gain out of it. Otherwise, all the factors for the Kisan, and you see, actually what I am Rohitji asking, and through you asking that what the farmer leader wanted, MSP in writing.
Yes.
Is it right? They wanted that give us in writing MSP.
They also want the rollback of the farm laws, sir.
No. This is,
So he's
otherwise
misleading.
they got 50 points now.
Giving
It is
their...
not only rollback.
Yes.
There are so many 50 points. Ultimately,
yes.
the government has to see its resources,
yes.
what it can be done in that way. And we are open.
All right, let me get Mr. Sirsa into the conversation. Mr. Sirsa, won't you appreciate the fact that the government is at least willing to talk to the farmers?
We are ready all the time, any day.
Yes, let
Mr.
Sirsa respond. Yes, Mr. Sirsa.
देखिए मेरा ही कहना है, इतना लंबा समय क्यों लगा? 2-3 things which you need to understand about this law. First, जब ये कानून बनता है तो देश के अंदर किसान बार बार बोलता है, तो कहा जाता है ये किसान जो है खाली पंजाब का किसान बोल रहा है, कोई और नहीं बोल रहा है, ये पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड है। तो पहले तो किसान को पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड कहा जाता है, फिर कहा जाता है जब वो किसान चल पड़ता है धरने प्रदर्शन के लिए 2 महीने तक पंजाब में, 3 महीने तक वो रहता है, फिर कहा जाता है कि इसको हरियाणा में रोका जाएगा, रोका डंडों से पीटा जाता है, मारा जाता है, और फिर कहा जाता है कि ये खालिस्तानी है, ये एंटी नेशनल है, फिर ये प्रोपेगेंडा चलाया जाता है। उसके बाद कहा जाता है कि हम बात करने को तैयार हैं, लेकिन पहले हमारी ये शर्तें होंगी। जब किसान उस पर नहीं आता फिर कहते हैं हम बात करने को तैयार हैं। पहले तो हमें अच्छी बात है सरकार ने बातचीत शुरू की है, लेकिन मुझे बड़ी उम्मीद है कि अगर शुरू की है तो ये कहीं कंक्लूजन पे भी जाएगा। लेकिन इस बात का बड़ा अफसोस है कि बहुत देर कर दी आते आते, इतनी देर नहीं करनी चाहिए थी। आखिर किसान है, अन्नदाता है, वो सड़क पर तड़प रहा है और हम उसको कहें एंटी नेशनल है, ये अच्छी बात नहीं।
All right, let's Mr. Savaria respond. Mr. Savaria, why did you wait for things to come to this pass?
No, Rohit ji, I am responding to my dear friend from Akali Dal, that we've never been late. And they saying that it is the Punjab farmer. No, for us, all the farmers of all the states are dear and near. What is happening from the farmers of Punjab is very, very unfortunate.
Yes.
The farmers should have been made to understand the anomalies what the political parties are throwing to him in. My government from the, now Sirsaji is saying that I am putting condition. No, we are not putting any conditions. My Kisan protester, unfortunately, they are braving all these things. They said that why on 3rd of, they wanted to prepone the talks.
Right.
We preponed the talks. We requested, our Home Minister said, kindly do the protest in Buradi ground so that all the arrangement of your bathrooms and everything should be done. But they said, no, we will be here. Still we agreed, okay, you be there. But we are requesting them that open the highways. Whole public is at ransom. We are open. Okay, all 50 demands what have been given yesterday and today into the round table, we are doing 1, 2, 3, 4.
But is the government willing to relent on the farm law, sir? That's the big question. Anyway, I'm out of time. Mr. Savaria, Mr. Sirsa, thanks very much for joining us on this discussion. Let's hope some solution is found in that meeting that is currently on between the central government and the protesting farmers.